As a woman in life, they say you have to stand for something. Because if you don't, you can fall for anything. And this is my story. The hills of St. Anne's, Jamaica, that's where I grew up. Life as a child was fun. I'd go to the river, I'd sometimes throw stones at the fishes, sometimes I'd even jump off the falls. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. That's okay.
I'm so clumsy.
That's all right. That's all right. That's fine. Don't worry about it. I know it's good. I know it's good. I know it's good. I see you taking pictures.
Yes, I'm just admiring the beauty. Aren't they beautiful? Wouldn't you agree?
I'm sorry, what was that?
I said, wouldn't you agree how beautiful this garden is and peaceful?
Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. By the way, I'm Theo.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Evelyn.
Wow, such a beautiful name.
Thank you.
I would love to chat some more with you, But guess what? I'm late for a meeting, so it was nice meeting you.
Okay, nice meeting you too. Take care and have a good one.
Philip, listen to me, man. Come on. We can't have the three company meeting at the same time. No, that's conflict of interest. No, Philip.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
So hold on, Philip. What about Marsha?
Marsha has no vote. Dwayne told her not to vote.
So does Dwayne know about that?
I thought you knew. Well, with or without the grant, they gave the green light.
Listen, man, we're going to have another meeting about that.
But Theo, the date is set.
I need you to call them and tell them it's not gonna work.
What if we cut out Marsha and Tony?
Philip, that is crazy.
Come on, Theo. Marsha and Tony are idiots. They're not team players.
Philip, listen, man. This is Theo you're talking to, You know who you're talking to? This is Theo,
Yes, and we have to shuffle the deck.
That is crap.
Crap? Huh.
Come on.
Theo, this is business and we're losing money. Come on, you need to let go.
You know what? I'm gonna have lunch. I'll call you when I'm done. I can't bother with these corporates, Oh man, these people are crazy.
Oh, it's you. How you doing?
How you doing? Oh man.
What are you doing at the park anyway? I thought you had a meeting.
Yes, but we took a break for lunch.
What's your name again? Theo?
Oh yeah, Theo, you remember?
So Theo, you always come to this park?
No, not really. We have a meeting, so that's why I actually. So how about you? You always come here?
Yes, I always come here. I just love nature, as I said earlier. I love the birds, anything to do with art. I just love art.
Wow. I would love to see some of your work.
Really? You're into art?
Oh, yes.
What kind of art do you like?
What can I say? I'm a man that appreciates beautiful things.
Would you like to see some of my work?
you're a photographer.
I love beautiful things.
I can see.
And appreciate God's beauty.
I like this one. This one nice. The flowers here.
Colors in that one, that's my favorite. That flower is gorgeous. It's my favorite one. The colors just speak to me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I have to get back to the meeting. Oh my God.
The meeting? I thought you said you were on lunch.
Yes, that's true. But it was a little short break. I have to go. But it was nice seeing you again, though. All
yeah,
right?
sure.
Yeah, man. You take care of yourself. Yeah.
And you.
Hey, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine. And how are you?
Really, really good. I got some fantastic pictures.
Okay.
So you know it was supposed to rain today. Thank God, not a drop. So I got the most beautiful pictures. And I caught the hibiscus just as it was up. Now I'll check this one.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Oh, wow.
I got some amazing pictures.
Wow.
Look on that red. That is speak to you.
Oh, whoa. Hold on right there. Go right back.
What, to the hibiscus?
No, go right back to that last one.
The hibiscus?
The one last one.
Oh, this one, is a bird I was trying to catch and I caught it by accident. Don't you see it's all flowers I'm taking in nature? It's the bird I was trying to take, Viv.
Very
Viv,
funny.
it was the bird and the man was walking
You're
past.
talking to me.
It's just nature and you walk past. Anyway, something smell good, sis. Something smell good. What's on the fire? What's on the fire?
Change the subject.
No, I've been out to the park all day taking pictures of the nature. I bet I'm hungry.
I mean, what's happened to that picture?
That picture I'm going to delete it because it didn't come out as well. It's kind of blurred. When's dinner ready? When's dinner ready?
Well, I got pizza into the oven for you anyway.
No, it smells something
Your
good.
favourite one, pepperoni and pineapple.
Oh, yeah man, you smother it with pineapple.
Yeah. Oh, definitely, because I know what you like.
Now I love you. Mwah! Thank you.
He said, Evelyn, I'll be right back. But the night never gave him the dawn. Now you sleep in a sweater on the sofa. Keep the TV on, just to feel every Sunday you drive past that corner, touch the ring that you still wear.
On all its souls of the faithful departed, to the virtue of God, rest in peace. Amen.
Like he never disappeared.
Hey sis,
Hey.
again. Is it news time yet?
I don't think so, you know. I think we got another few minutes for the news to start. That's why I'm kind of just easing off.
Oh, so you're looking at your photo book then?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty. Is that the one you took in Australia?
No, Viv, this is when we went to Mexico.
Okay.
Yeah, and even got the pyramids.
Oh,
and,
that's beautiful.
the group of people we met.
Okay. Yeah, you were saying when you got back. What's the
Liam
matter?
and I had such a great time there.
Oh dear.
It just brings back memories, you know?
That is happy memories at least.
You know what, sis? I'm gonna take a shower before dinner.
Okay, darling. You'll be ready in about 20 minutes.
Alright, remember some news coming on in a few.
Yeah.
Girl, I took your advice and it's the best thing I could have ever done.
I can see. Look at the glow on you, girl. So tell me about it.
Met this really nice guy. He's tall, handsome. Oh, and I'm
Tell me, come and spill things.
his name is Theo.
What's his name?
Theo.
Oh, Theo. Theo.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Theo.
And I was taking pictures as usual.
I can't wait to see that. Yeah, and where's the camera?
It's in my bag. It's in my bag. I have
I will
all the
want to
things
see
to show
them.
you, including the fruits you asked for.
Hey, I'm looking forward. I'm already planning. I can see the table spread out with everything. Anyway, tell me about Theo.
He's tall, dark, handsome.
Chocolate.
Oh, but I'm confused.
Girl, it's a message. It is all God's plan. God is rewarding you. I mean, Liam, I understand he was a lovely soul, but he has done his time. He has completed his purpose, and now he has graduated. He's gone on another mission. So now it's your time to finish yours. And wherever Liam is, I know he wants you to be happy. He wants you to graduate too. And you can't graduate until you have fulfilled your purpose. Theo is your next.
I just think it's too soon, you know? When Theo hugs me, all I picture is Liam. I can't let him go.
That is natural. Liam and you spend basically half of a lifetime. So that's natural. But you have to move on. That's what Liam would have wanted. You have to move on. Don't bother be too hard on yourself, you know. Tell me something. Theo, how does he react and relate to Liam? I mean, is he understanding?
To be honest, Theo's moving too fast for me. I'm trying.
What do you mean moving too fast?
I'm still trying to decide. And he's even talking marriage. I want to meet my family, want to come meet my sister.
What you want from a relationship? You want, to just fool around? Or do you want a proper relationship where a person wants marriage? Marriage doesn't necessarily mean that he wants it tomorrow. It could be a year. But what he's showing you is that he's a responsible man who sees something in you, a quality in you, to be a wife, to be his wife, to spend the rest of his life with. So it's only natural that you'd want to meet your family. Don't block it, my dear. You can still go slowly, but don't block it. Just let it flow and see where it takes you.
But it still feels like I'm cheating. I can't let go. I can't.
Well, take that.
Evelyn.
Hey, what?
What's up?
You're good, David.
Yeah,
good
back.
to see you. Yeah, man.
All
Back
life
in
in the
the
country.
place.
Everybody.
Yeah, man.
Our mommy,
She
daddy.
good. Them good. Them good. And
glad to see
country
you back.
good.
Hey, bring back from country for me.
The fruits them are in the bag. I can't go all the way to the country and don't bring my two favorite people fruits. My bag is full.
So Evelyn, staying for dinner?
Of course. I come with
Well,
my belly.
Yes, man. David will do his lobster for you. Right on?
Of course.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I
David
know I
makes a good lobster, and
chose
he
the
knows
right
that
day.
he likes you. He knows that you love lobster. That's your
Yes,
favorite. And
yes.
shrimp. We have some shrimp in the fridge. You can blend them together.
And please, you can do your famous garlic butter with it.
Gonna just leave your ladies. I'll let the ketchup.
All right.
Hi, hon. Welcome home.
Okay.
Soon come help you in the kitchen. I'm telling you, girl, you need a husband. They're there for you in your time of need and trouble. Look how caring he is. He never leaves me out, and he's all... Look here, man, don't bother with it. Don't bother with it. We're here for you, and God has sent you your own, Dave. He has sent your husband. He has sent your husband. Hush, hush. Never mind.
I
Just realize that God has you. God has it. God loves you. That is the reason why. I mean, you know how long some women have to wait to find somebody who actually cares and respects them? He respects you enough to want to meet your family. Most men, they want to boom, bang, thank you, madam, and that's it. But this man, you want to meet your family.
I just feel so ungrateful and so confused.
After you have done your best, you leave the rest to God.
For those who are listening, like I said, you stand for something or you fall for anything. Sis, you in? Hey, Evelyn. You good? I'm just doing some cleaning, darling. Good. You're decent. I've got company.
Hi. How are you?
This is my friend Theo. Theo, this is my sister Theo.
Pleased to meet you.
We met you the other day in the park.
True.
Oh!
Getting to talk.
Okay, okay.
So, yeah.
Sorry, taking some pictures.
Yes. Are you okay?
Yes, fine.
Brilliant.
Nice place, yeah.
Thank you.
I love it. Oh, wow.
Told you I love nature.
Yeah.
So does my
True.
sister.
True.
Man without no face.
Oh, I forgot. I heard a love mango. Mango for you.
Thank you. They look really sweet.
Wow.
You ain't getting none.
But if it wasn't for
That's
me,
for
you would,
me.
if it wasn't for me meeting Theo, you wouldn't get the mangoes. So share and share alike. Mum and Dad grew us up to share and share alike.
Yeah. Let me just put these in the fridge.
Alright.
We're back in a minute.
Of course.
This is one that I took in Mexico, my trip to Mexico.
Wow.
It was a-
You been to Mexico?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, it's my magical place. The colors, the people, the energy. It was just amazing.
Oh,
Wow.
Hey sis.
what's you looking at? Oh, you're looking at the same pictures again. I can't really see. Let me just come in the middle, because I can't really
But
see.
sis, you've
Yeah.
seen these pictures a million times.
Just move over and let me come into the middle, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Right, now I can see better. Let's have a look at it
The
again.
pictures you've seen 1,000 times.
I can't remember them all.
It was amazing.
Oh, I forgot my manners. Would you like a drink?
Oh, thank you.
All right, go on then. Go get your friend a drink. And get him one of those big bottles. So, Theo,
Yes.
what do you do for a living?
Oh, okay. I'm a contractor. I work for a company.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married. Definitely.
That doesn't say enough.
Oh, that's true.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have free. I'm free. Singleness is good. I'm free. So free.
So you got a girlfriend?
No. My work got me caught up. You know, I'm a time.
So what do you do for leisure time?
We watch a game with a couple of the guys at the firm, and meetings. That's basically my time caught up with me.
A good-looking man like you, not married, no children.
True.
Are you gay?
Definitely not. I was married for 5 years. Circumstances why I have to divorce.
Circumstances?
Yes.
Circumstances in what? A lot of women?
Vivian, is a long story. Save it for another time.
Why not now?
I think I'm enjoying myself with you and your sister. I think it's best another time. This is, we can talk about that. And what about the water you promised me?
We're still waiting for her to bring the water.
Okay.
Sis, I can't find the water in the fridge.
Oh yeah. Look in the deep freeze.
But I looked in the deep freeze. I don't see anything in there, and it's not in the fridge.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Look on the table there.
Seriously, Viv, you had the water on the table the whole time, and you're sending me in the freezer and the fridge?
But I thought you saw it, the bottle of water.
That's why you sent me to the freezer. There you go, dear.
Thank you.
Help
very much.
yourself.
Of course. Thanks.
It is hot. What have you two been up to? Theo, what's my sister been doing? She been interrogating you.
Don't be so silly.
FBI spy.
I know you. I know what you're like.
You would know me because I'm your biggest sister.
I apologize in advance. Okay.
Don't you worry about that.
There's nothing to apologize.
Right.
Big sister looking out. The big sister looking out for you. That's alright.
Did you want to see any more of the photos? Or
I would love to.
these are one of my favorites. Do you
And
remember
I
this
definitely love this one. This is nice.
one? Thanks. Like I said, it's one of my favorites.
Excuse me, guys.
Yeah.
Hello. Philip, just a minute.
Theo, the board have decided to go forward with the new proposal. They're asking for you. The meeting is in an hour. Where are you?
Alright, I'm coming right now.
I know you sent me for the water for something. What you and Theo talking about?
Nothing, we're just talking about the arts.
The arts.
Yes.
And you send me on a wild goose chase for the water. What was that?
Yes.
Guys, excuse me. I just wanted to tell man, I'm so sorry I have to leave. I'm so sorry, guys. It was nice talking to you guys. A lovely place, but I'm so sorry. I really have to leave.
Okay,
There's a problem at the firm, you know, those contractors have to be there, you know.
Oh yeah, sure.
Definitely
You have to do your thing.
But it was
I'll
like,
see
it
you
was,
out.
oh my, it was nice.
It's nice
meeting you so
meeting
much,
you.
Of course, you know. I definitely come back. I'll definitely come back.
Sure, I'll see you out.
Yeah, of course. Thanks.
Take
And
care.
thanks for the water.
You're welcome.
I'm on a lot of
I don't trust him. There's something sneaky about him. Did you know he was once married? He was married for 5 years.
Did
and he
you
has
know
no
I was
children.
once married?
Yeah, but you were told the truth.
He told you there's not many men out there that would admit that they were married.
When I asked him if he was gay, that's when he brought in the marriage, that he was married
Tell
for
me you're
5
joking,
years.
Viv.
Well, I have to find out.
You did not ask the man
course.
if he was gay on his first visit to the house. No wonder he left so quick. That's why I can't bring people around you, you know.
Why? I'm looking out for you.
How could you ask the man?
I had to.
Viv, tell me the truth. What else did you ask him?
I asked him if he's got any children, and he said no. But that sounds suspicious. Married for 5 years. There's something wrong with him.
I'm not looking to start a family with anybody. What's wrong with a bit of friendship and companionship?
You don't need a man for company. We're each other's company. We're there for each other. I'm there for you.
I love you and everything, but right now you're just pissing me off, all right? So before I say anything I don't want to say, because I love you, but you can't give me the companionship I'm looking for.
We're
You can't
sisters.
exactly. We are sisters.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's as far as the relationship is to go. I love you, but you're my sister. You could never be a man companionship. You know what? You know what, sis? I'm going to my room.
But-
I'm going to my room. Before
But,
I say anything, I
sis.
regret. I'll see you
But
later.
sis,
I see your smile hiding under the sorrow. I see your strength when you think you're too small.
But my heart is still holding on to yesterday.
How do I trust a new start at all? After the fall, you can stand up slowly.
You can learn to lean
On somebody holy.
after the pain.
There is still a
Evelyn, dinner's ready. Ev, are you crying?
No. It's just something in my eye.
You sure?
Yeah, man. It's just something in my eye.
Okay, cool. Dinner's ready.
Okay, I'll be there in a minute. Thank you.
I'm not asking you to burn your memories. I sit with every story that you tell. We can laugh about the way he used to tease you. I can love you while you love him as well. But when you hold me, it feels like I'm guilty, like I'm stealing from a ghost I knew.
I'm so scared that if I start to be happy, I'll be saying
That I'm done with you. Is it betrayal if your heart starts healing? Is it surrender if you start to breathe?
you're not letting go of him forever.
You're just letting go of all the grief.
After the fall,
You can stand up slowly
you can learn to lean
on somebody holy.
after the pain.
There is still a morning.
Let the sun in love.
After the fall,
Keep walking.
I will keep his letters in the drawer,
Talk to his picture on the wall.
and I will hold your hand when you are shaking.
When the memories,
Come and take it all.
we can build a life beside the story.
Not erase the love that came before.
He would want your heart to keep on beating.
You're just walking through the door.
After the fall,
After the fall,
you're allowed to be happy.
after the fall,
You're allowed to want more.
Evelyn sit by the window, same old chair, same road view.
Coffee cold in the morning.
She still talk to you. Traffic pass like a river,
But a time just stopped.
wedding ring on her finger.
Heart stuck in that car.
After the fall,
You can rise again.
tears on the ground.
Turn to strength, my friend.
Love never leaves.
It just changes name.
After the fall,
You can rise again.
I see you there in the market.
Eyes far from this town.
You smile small for the children.
Then that smile fall down.
I reach out,
Say good morning.
you step back, build your wall. You say,
My heart's still driving on a road before the fall.
I'm not here to take his place. I know he still lives inside.